Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful balloon pants. It's flowy and super comfortable. I'll take you through the full process step by step. So if you love fashion DIYs and statement pieces like this one, do check out my other videos. Please make sure you like, subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the fabric that I'll be using. Initially I wanted to use 6 yards, but I changed my mind and decided to use 4 yards. So it just depends on what you want. So since I'm using 4 yards, what I have on the floor there is 2 yards on fold, and I'm holding another 2 yards here, and I'm just going to fold it like so. And afterwards I'll lay them on top one another. This side here is the 2 yards on fold, and this way is the length. So what I'm going to do is mark a guideline at the very top part here, and I'll also be marking a guideline on the side because the fabrics are not equal on the side, right? So I need everything to be equal. So I'm going to mark a guideline on top and also on the side so I can have a perfect rectangle. The next thing I'll do is come down from this start line and take my crotch depth. So the normal crotch depth I use is 11 inches, but because this is a free pant, I'll be adding 3 inches to that figure. So what I'll have is 14 inches in total. So whatever yours is, just go ahead and add 3 inches to it. Now I'm going to take down the full length of my pants. I'll be adding between 2 to 3 inches to my measurement. So if from your waist to your full length is 40 inches, add 2 or 3 inches to it. So that means you're going to mark 42 inches or 43 inches. Now I need to mark my crotch extension. So from this line here, I'm going to mark 5 inches. I'm going to mark 5 inches from that line like so. And I'll put the same thing on the waistline and also at the bottom of my pants. I'll come out from this point here by 2 inches so I can create my crotch curve. I'm going to cut open the fold. Now I'll go to my sewing machine and I'll sew down the crotch area of the front and the back. After sewing down the crotch area, the next thing I'll do is attach my pockets. After attaching the pockets, the next thing I'll do is sew down the sides and also the crotch area. Now I've cut out a band and I'm going to be attaching this to the waistline of my pants. So the length I have here is the same thing as the waistline of my pants. So I'm just going to fold it like so, and I'll go ahead and attach it to the waistline, and this is where I'll be inserting my elastic band. Now I'll take my elastic and insert it into the band. The elastic measurement I use is my waist measurement minus 4 or 5 inches. The next step is to measure your leg, just as you see me do mine like this. So I'm going to measure what I have, and I have 13 inches here. So I'm going to cut out a band using 13 inches. Now I'm going to make a gather stitch at the leg of my pants, and I'll be gathering this to that 13 inches so that I'm able to attach my band to the bottom of my pants. So once that is attached, you're all done, and you're going to have yourself a balloon pants that looks just like this. It's very comfortable, very stylish. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll reply you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.